Dear friends, now I'm going to replace the drum because this drum we cannot repair. Because of that, I'm going to replace the drum here. This is the same drum. If we are going to repair this one, we can repair, but it will make abnormal noise because this one if we are going to repair, we have to replace the whole set. Because of that, easy to replace the drum. Because of that, now I'm going to replace the drum here. And first we have to here I already cleaned everywhere. It is too much lint are there before. Now fix with the belt. We will arrange first here. It should come like that. You can see here this roller will come. Now you can see here. After that we have to fix here back mounting cover here. We have to fix properly. Actually we have to enter here. You can see here, this is one bearing. Now it will come like that. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix here this nut. After that it will tight properly. Now I will tight here. We have to tight properly. Now it's okay. Now I can fix here. Now I have to cover this one. Here 2 screws will come. Yes, it's okay. Now I have to fix here all the screws. Now dear friends, it's okay. Now drum I already fixed. You can see here it is very smoothly running. Now I have to fix. I'm going to fix V-belt, otherwise drum belt. We have to lever a little bit. After that it will come properly. Now it will come like that. Now you can see dear friends, this will come like that. This harness should come here actually. Don't forget that one. Here lock this harness, otherwise this will touch with the drum. Because of that, very careful, we have to fix this one here. This both side up and down we have to keep like that. Here it will come like that, otherwise it will touch with the drum. Because of that, we have to do that, otherwise harness will get damaged. Here look, you can see here after fixing, here lock will come out. It's like that. Now it's okay. Now dear friends, these 2 brackets we have to fix first. After that we can fix here. Now I will show you how to fix this one. Here this lock, it will come here. Here it will come like that. You can see. Now I will fix the screw. After that otherwise it will fall down. Because of that, I will fix one screw. Both sides we have to fix, otherwise after fixing side covers we are not able to fix. Because of that, this side also it should come like that. Here lock, and I can fix here screw again. Now it's okay. Now what we can do here, you can see, dear friends, we have to fix here drain overflow tube here. This one, it should come like that. This is overflow tube. Actually, before this customer, this technician, he put outside. That's mean to the drawer, the water drawer, water not coming because he kept already outside. Because of that, anyway, I'm also keeping like that. Because of that, we have to keep this inlet hose externally. We have to fix out water going to the drain, water draining out, because this one they didn't fix. Now I'm also fixing at same. Now we have to fix here condensation. We have to fix water drawer cover. We have to fix this one. Here it will come like that. This tube only, I told you this tube, it should come here. Here you can see this one, it should come to here. We have to fix properly. Now this one, it will go like that. We have to fix these two screws, otherwise little bit it's going here and there. Because of that, we have to fix the screws here. Now it's okay. Now, dear friends, we have to fix, before fixing side covers, we have to fix front door cover. After that only we can fix side covers. Now I'm going to fix here front door with the cover, and we have to little bit lay down the machine here. It is easy for us. We will lay down the machine here. This will come like that. You can see, dear friends, this screw we have to fix properly. Also here also we have to fix. Now it's okay. Here downside, you can see here downside two screws will come here down. Okay, now here condenser box here area also coming one screw here. And now it's okay. Also now we can open the door here. Also we have to fix here screws. Now we fix all the screws. Also here now it will come two screws. You can see here. Now it's okay, dear. Now we will keep it up like that. Now we have to fix this here, this lock we have to fix here. The PCB should come up. Now we can fix this one. Yes, this will come. That one also we fixed already here. Other side also we have to fix. Yes, it is done already. Now you can see very smoothly running drum. No any problem. It should run. It's not touching, nothing. It's okay. Now dear friends, now I have to fix the side covers here. You can see here lock, it will come here. It's easy. Here down, it will come like that, lock here. Now we have to keep like that, and we have to press here. Here it will come like that. You can see here, it's better to fix his screws are here back. Now it's okay. Now it's not going here and there. Also we can fix here also. Now it's okay. Now this fix. After that, we fix here also. Then you want to switch here. Here also. Now I can fix other side also. Same, we have to fix the lock here first. Here downside. This will come. After that we have to press here. Now I can fix the screws. Yes. Okay. It's 2 screws. Also here 1 screw will come here. You can see here we have to fix this one. Here it will come like that. Now we can fix here. That screw also I already fixed. Now you can see dear friends, it is it's okay now. Now we have to fix here control board. This control board lock will come here like that. You can see here. It will come like that. After that here screw will come. Now it's okay. Control board we already fixed here. Now we have to give the connection here. It is already removed before I. Now it's okay. Here it's lock will come here. This lock, this will go here. Also this side also having same here lock. I will fix the 2 screws, otherwise it's going here and there. Now dear friends, here I fix only 1 screw because this screw it will come with the panel. Because of that I'm fixing only 1 screw, and also here also I'm fixing screw 1 screw. Now it's okay. Now I can fix display PCB. Here is 4 locks will come. You can see here. Before that we will give the connection here. This one the connector, harness, don't forget that one. Now we can fix here lock. Now we can fix here screws. Here. Also here. Okay, now we have fixed screws here. Can see here. This is first screw we have fixed here. Also here, same screw. Should be the one I see. This is like something I have. Now front side it's okay. Now I have to fix here filter cover. I can fix that one also here. It will come like that. Just there it is coming like that. That one also. Now I have to fix condenser box here. I will fix later. Now front side already completed. Now here we have to fix water container. Now it's okay. Now we have to fix back side here. Going to fix heater here. Now I have to fix here duct before fix the cover here. Now it's finished. I already fixed here. After that I can fix cover. It will come, so many screws are here. I will fix one by one. Now dear friends, I fixed all the screws, everything. Now I have to remaining only the top cover. Now we will check one time here. We can check if it is working or not. It should work actually because we fixed properly. Now you can see here by hand. It is, while I'm turning, it's very smoothly running, no any issue. I will give the power connection here. I given already power connection. Now I'm selecting any option here. After that I will start here. Just there you can see here. Machine is start. No any abnormal noise, nothing. You can see the drum also rotating properly. No any problem. Now I have to close the top cover. After that my job will be finished. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.